Daya sorry yetin sem foforo. And there me video we a 2nd April 2020. And na 1st April. Na senya we ase ni na ye nim 1st April no na April fool. And someone said be enya ne kra ne ye ka. Okay, I'm just bringing you the background of a video I saw. Menka say video no real or fake. But yesterday I saw a video on some of the top credible YouTube channels in Ghana. Namely Oman channel and the Pinax TV. Me who say na video na eda screen so ni one more air kasa afa ho. Sema one more can and say as you can see Nkrofo bi breaki in call Kennedy Japan ni fie ewo community 12 say one more air call akwa kokuno. That was the story that came. And that story never no man said that I'm fan a big deal because send me didn't can tell no Endra it was 1st April. It's me personally Endra and send baby stories baby I cause we are no man GND because I am a pain. So I thought it was April Fool, but me tie video no etie description send ya na on my channel war kasa Pinax TV send ya na wono so kasa no to me hu say dabi there is some seriousness in what they are saying. And so what I did ne say video bi say ababonte na bibi say ababonte say ne kre Kennedy Japan Nkrofo bi akonifie say na nka wo mo kọ akwa kokuna na nka bia ebeba internet, so it will be a big story on the internet because we are talking about Kennedy Japan and an assassination attempt. It will be as a message Meko Ghana web, GH page, all the big websites are in Ghana. But Meko Nini na I wasn't finding this story. So I was like, so is this story real or not? It me I say me yen still. Minya backup article be a trace and a cre because story be say there a big story. Ubedi me a dance here. A story be a so say yeah can say be a Nkrofo bi akokeleji Japan fie say wo mo kwa kokuna mo amonim say a big story. Inti at least na nke wo say website e publish it. Me check ya all the top websites no will be a new wa publish it. Inti me say e dey na e koso yi. Me who say some YouTube channel being so posti this same video. Our more can say the fake ones are not there. Senya obinim ebeka the fake is news no. Sisi ababe than the term. YouTube channel na can say oh wait there the fake is news. Not to say or person to say a fake news no. But if you see the seriousness, now me know because a video here our man channel posti you know it is getting close to 200,000 views. Just within one day, I will post a video. No, now go read the comments and I'm saying it tells you that people are taking the thing serious. As I'm standing right here right now, I can't tell whether it is real or not. That is the truth. Because I wanted to do my background checks, Nininano and Babonte. I can't tell whether it is real or not. So what I'll say, and I say. Story a woman channel for one more other two channel. Me describe it at Remo. Now we are waiting to hear from Abia Woman FM and then the 2-4 because obviously say adie way a real pan you expect them to talk about it. So we are waiting to hear a confirmation from them. Whenever a confirmation comes, you be mama so at it. But my member story a woman channel wakan ye entremo member so entremo the wakan say Nkrofo bi no mo fi se Kennedy Japan e wo fie me obi a metetema Kennedy Japan ni fie e wo tema committee 12 se mo be kai a embra Kennedy Japan eni wo bi nim enya asem no Kennedy Japan ba bonte be ka se wo no Kennedy Japan won suro wo betumi a kire ni fie bebi a wote eye tema community 12 no Kennedy Japan bo Abrantie bia wase ye friend Emeka sa Emeka yi wase wo yo bi nim ne bodyguard se den a Emeka ne ka se wo no Emeka ne bebo Kennedy Japan se den eno na ma Kennedy Japan ba bonten a wo bebo se what committee 12 no. I am not saying say if this story is true obi nim is linked to it. That's not what I am saying. But story bia eba to us. So now the woman channel and one reason why people are even believing this story and they say, "Well, my channel you'll be a one no dear, what Doc Kennedy Japan pa, what here no tight here the pa on him so no dear, well you Ken fan." Inti Sabi, Yansu say, with his own discretion, no, say assembling yan the crowd, Ebia won't to me and fan back and to Jasa. Unless say Ebia a April Fool's prank and now war yen. But 1st April it came, the video is still up, gathering a lot of views. Anyway, let's go into the story our my channel Emma Yeniatias yeno. What say? Kennedy Japan akasa ba bonte because come to 12 fie no kan no ne wafa asie mo enete ho. It from ne wafa asie ba kwa no what if you ho no what say nkrofo bi e break in. Inti na eye ne say abrante bi a friendly Randy because the ayate ne say abrante bi ye adwuma wo na 2 a wono nso te sa committee 12 efie no committee 12 sorry what take sa committee 12 fie na your friend no Randy wo ye adwuma wo na 2 inti abrante na wo fie Kennedy Japan ne wafa se na wo fie so what say na nkrofo e break in inti na eye ne say Randy no it was say no oboni di say Randy waba inti no what top floor into a bar down floor because say Randy waba no and who said that be Randy ninja so into a more breaking in into the house no san krofo no wo mo kwatete into abrante ni be twem wa no mo twe abrante no mo twe second scene so say hey Kennedy Japan wen onko bie ni Kennedy Japan room entre wo mo and abrante no so ko hwehwe key into according to a man channel no Abrantia no pay key no first key what the cause what could be pono Kennedy Japan ne bedroom no okobie na mbie into o yesa wasanso kope key na nkrofo ni dinechi wasan kope second key by according to a man channel na Abrantia ne bie pono na ne bie na wo ye fast room no lock pono no wa man nkrofo na room bi e wa na Abrantia no area nim obi a wote temabia no nim say community 12 is a residential area e ho na sikafo na eti wo nti ese ho na branch ne sha se wo kikem se akronfo onbeso wo muku honorable onbeso muku honorable na nkrofo no eye fast edwane pie. That is the story. A summary. Obviously story our man channel e de buy na ewa, but a summary of the story and a yende abremo. So this is the story about Bonte. Now I just want to read before I go that say Embra wo ho maybe the commenter and commenting on that particular story. But the person make and say people are believing in this because Nancy just 3 days ago. I think in 3 days, 2 days the Bremo said was off will be in 2019. Was come say senia encrophobia ekokun JB dankwa e woni fie no Kennedy Japan wan hwe ya sa na e beba bekun no. It's a lot of people are actually linking it to it. Say, and they are the because of sophobia shen come. Miame mamoti asye. Say Kennedy Japan. Any beduko bia sembaye. Was also any obinima sembaye no. Me, Madame Fubia. What was the or your security expert? A friend one chain catcher me say. In Yama Kennedy Japan. You know, one she ya. Or mubekuno. Make a number dream you ho. Madam for the tree, my drabas and I make say, and I'm a man church and say, no, not share me because some madam for a security expert or a police need, and not church and say, no, tell me, it be a bear and a crack. So that side of the story is making a lot of people believe that this is true. Actually, I say, but say, story no, dear, yeah, can no, no, we can't confirm whether this video you are watching indeed it is true or not. But the Yebe can say, if indeed it is true, say, Nkrofobi Eko Kennedy Japan fie, say, one more Eko Kokuna, and then Yankopon Yadana say, because one more on one kotono. So we are expecting to hear from Kennedy Japan because Kennedy Japan, they say, Yanekra, you don't expect him to be silent. So we are waiting. If Obeba Bontia Bekaso were Yanekra, Obeba Bontia Bekase and Yanekra, and no dear Yenia Yawo. But this is what is going round. Ebia na won't say asem ebia na wo nim the air coso. But that's the story we've brought to you. Just like I said, I have tried to confirm whether this is true or not on a lot of Ghana, your website, credible your news outlets. No one is talking about it yet. And because this video was posted yesterday, initially, na Kendra and I just say make a say about it. But the entire man kasa about the video yesterday and they say, and right now 1st April, now I say April Fool prank. Even though things like this, you don't prank with it, but then you don't know someone's limits. So I thought it was an April Fool's prank. But me who said that be the commentary coming in, any the seriousness of Nipakra na war kasa, especially Pinax, any woman who to me who said that be these two people are very credible news outlets in Ghana has a yeba YouTuber. Ati ase. Internet I know any asemwa eda ho. Mo try mo adwen e wo comment box na mo tie for me da say.